All right, news just coming in now. Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has demanded that the security provided to separatists should be removed. Speaking to India Today, Naqvi said that there is no difference between separatists and terrorists now. They are equally dangerous. Muhammad Ayub's murder was a shock to humanity. Those who are a threat to a country's security, and why should they be given any security? Listen in.
I'm joined by BJP leader Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Sir, yesterday we saw DSP lynched outside Jamia Masjid in Srinagar. Now there is a call that the security that is given to Hurriyat leaders and separatist leaders should be lifted. In fact, the DGP of Jammu and Kashmir has said the same. What is the party stand on it?
There is no difference between the separatists and terrorists nowadays. If you see, the separatist leaders and separatist organizations are equally dangerous like a terrorist. And जो कुछ भी कल हुआ वो तो इंसानियत को पूरी तरह से झकझोरने वाला है और शैतानियत की पराकाष्ठा है। निश्चित तौर से एक के बाद एक जो घटना हो रही है और जिस घटनाओं में जिस तरह से अलगाववादी जो सेपरेटिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं या उनके लीडर्स हैं, जिस तरह के उनके एटीट्यूड है और जिस तरह के उनका इस पूरी की पूरी घटना को लेकर के उनमें शामिल होने की बात है, वो अपने आप में बहुत ही चिंता की बात है।
Do you believe the security of leaders like Mirwais should be lifted?
मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे लोग जो लोग की देश की सुरक्षा के लिए खतरा है, ऐसे लोगों की सुरक्षा का क्या मतलब है?
Sir, there's another question that has come up. You have separatist leaders now saying that Ayub Pandit wasn't one of us. He wasn't our police officer. He was a state officer. What do you have to say about that?
देखिए, हत्या किसी की भी हो, चाहे वो आर्मी में जो हमारे जवानों पर हमले हो रहे हैं, उनकी शहादत हो रही है, चाहे स्टेट पुलिस के फोर्स में जो लोग देश की सुरक्षा और कश्मीर के लोगों की सुरक्षा के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, वो सभी बराबर की निंदा की बात है। इसमें ये नहीं हो सकता कि ये हमारा है, ये तुम्हारा है, वो हमारे सारे देश के हैं।
So, अब स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होगी? You're in government in Jammu and Kashmir along with PDP.
Security forces and other our organizations who are responsible for the our security of the borders and Kashmir also, वो लोग उस पे जो है जो appropriate है और जो effective है वो action करेंगे।
Thank you so much. That was Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi speaking to India Today. He said that the government in Jammu and Kashmir will take as much action as they can to make sure that violence doesn't continue erupting in the state. With camera person Parminder Sharma, this is Ilma Hassan for India Today.
All right, my colleague Ilma joins us live for more on that. Ilma, you spoke to Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi there, and even he stating that it's time to reconsider security provided to separatists in the valley.
Well, Preeti, we raised three very important questions. One was the fact that after DGP of Jammu and Kashmir also said that the security should be revoked of separatist leaders and Hurriyat leaders, we raised that question to him, and he stated it categorically that why should we protect those or give security to those who are a threat to India's security themselves? So why should we give a threat to them? He also very clearly stated that there's no difference between terrorists and separatists anymore. So security of leaders like Mirwais Farooq should be lifted. We also raised another question that, you have separatist leaders now saying that he was an officer of the state, he wasn't ours, he didn't belong to Jammu and Kashmir, which is why it happened. They also had, a defense put up that it was the emotions that were rising that night in Kashmir, which is why the DSP was lynched in the first place. He said that there should be no differentiation between, people who work for the state and civilians of Kashmir as well. He said that all he was doing was just doing his duty. He very categorically stated there should be no differentiation, and the defenses that are coming now from separatist leaders like Mirwais Farooq, are abhorrent. He categorically condemned them. Another thing he said is the fact that when we asked him about violence erupting in the state, he said that the government is doing as much as they can to make sure there's peace in the valley. He also said that security forces will make sure that strict action is taken against all of this, Preeti.
All right, thank you for joining us, Ilma. We're going to keep coming back to you for further updates on that story.